MACH 2022, 1 week to go. James from the MTA, thank you for joining us. What can you expect to see?
So really excited now. We've just seen a really big spike in visitor registrations, people looking to come next week to the exhibition. We've got the latest technology. It's the first time in 4 years that our community have been together.
Has technology moved on much?
Oh, massively. We've seen some real advances. You know, even from when the show would have been in 2020, you'd have seen changes. But this, as I say, is the first time in 4 years for the National Manufacturing and Engineering Show that everyone's coming together.
Absolutely. So looking forward to it. I cannot emphasise that. So you've got, what sort of technology have you got, just very briefly?
So we've got a whole range there. You're going to see digitisation throughout the show, far more than you did in 2018, a lot more additive-based manufacturing. And we've also, of course, got the Engineering Supply Chain show as part of MACH, which means you've got more of the wider supply chain there as well.
Okay, seminars?
We've got a great seminar programme, full all week, all the way from Monday right the way through to Friday, covering a huge range of topics.
Okay, and tooling as well?
Yes, we've got a brand new tooling clinic this year, which is going to be focusing on people that are coming with problems. AMRC are running it for us, and they're going to talk about various solutions, and then you can visit the rest of the show to find providers.
So put them to the test.
Exactly.
So there you have it, the latest technology. It's been 4 years since we've seen you guys. MACH 2022, just very briefly, when is it?
4th to the 8th of April.
And where is it?
At the NEC in Birmingham.
And get yourself registered there.
MACHexhibition.com.
Brilliant. Looking forward to it. James, thank you very much. MACH 2022 next week.